Hi, this is Fran Torsen. I'm going to show you how to create a fresh new WordPress installation so that you can run your funnelKIT without any problems. What I like to do is create a new folder. I'll put funnelKIT into a new folder. The reason we do this is because we really don't want any plugin conflicts. Anytime you're working with a software like this, it's a really good best practice to set up a new folder. Don't mix and match with other plugins, because that's only going to get you into trouble. There are various ways of creating a new WordPress installation. You can use funnelKITGO, FTP. I don't do that. I'm just going to show you how I do it, because I do it a little bit differently than they describe in the tutorial over at funnelKIT. So let me show you what I do. I go into my cPanel. And when I go into my cPanel, the first thing I do is I find this little WordPress. See, I find WordPress, and I find the WordPress installer right here. So to create a new WordPress installation, all I have to do is hit install right here and then set it up. So we're going to choose a protocol. This is an SSL. This is the domain. And I'm going to put it into a directory. Now, I don't have the directory yet, and it doesn't exist, and that's cool, because I'm going to create it right here. So I'm going to create a directory, and I'm going to call it Go. All right? I'm going to call it Go. I'm going to call this my landing page. I'm going to put in administrator information here. Don't ever use the word admin. Of course, you know that is not a good thing to do. That leaves you open to hacking and all kinds of things. So use something different for your administrator name. And I'm going to put in a password here. All right, and then I just hit install. And this will create my WordPress installation. Once I have my WordPress installation finished, I'll go in and I'll add the plugin. I'll add the funnelKIT plugin, and that will be the only plugin on the installation, and I'll work with that. See, so there we go. We've got that. That's done. And I can go and log into that right now. All right, here's our WordPress dashboard, nice and clean. We've got some, let's see here. The first thing I'm going to do before I do anything else is I'm going to go over here to the permalink setting, and I'm going to change my permalink settings to post name, because funnelKIT needs that to work. So I'm just going to change that. That's the structure here. And that's important. All right, so that's done. And now I will install my plugin. I'll upload the plugin. I get the plugin over here on the member site. I go to download plugin. I can download the plugin here, and my license key is just below it. I'll install that. Here we go. I'm going to activate the plugin. All right, so so now we have our fresh install over here. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to delete anything I don't need. I don't need this plugin over here, this Hello Dolly business. All right, so I'm going to go to funnelKIT. Here we are. Now the first thing I need to do before I can use funnelKIT is actually activate my license key. So I'm going to insert that right here, and then I'll hit update. So And as you can see, I have now activated my Developer Unlimited license key. And let's see now I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at the pages I have here. We have a couple of pages that are included with funnelKIT. You'll see those when you take a look at the tutorials. Right now we have a blank slate, and what I'm going to do is just import some of the pages that are included with bonus.